a demonstration for you very quickly. This is a little exercise that I do when I'm teaching testers. And I just need to know, I'm going to pick somebody here, just somebody at random. You, sir, you look like you can speak. You know what this is?
I have no idea.
You have no idea. Here's what I just have a question about this. Just tell me what this is a picture of, that's all. Apparently it looks like flowers. You're right. Thank you. What else is this a picture of? What do you think it's a picture of? What else?
There are faces within the flowers.
There are faces within the flower. Where? How many faces?
I count 5.
You count 5. Oh, okay. So there's a face here, right? White background. A face here, a face here, a face here. There's a face here. There's also Homer Simpson, Bart Simpson, Mr. Burns. I see those. I'm sure. Honestly, ever since I noticed that, I'm like, when was this picture made? It could actually be that the Simpsons are in there? I don't know. But I'm haunted by it ever since. There could be all kinds of secret messages in here. Now, I want you to notice what I did not do just then. What I did not do. And it brings me to a talk given at a test management conference in Stockholm some years ago. I attended this talk by a fellow named Andy Redwood. He's a competitor of mine. He's one of my nemesis. So he's doing this talk, thinking outside the box, for testers. So I'm in his little thinking outside the box thing, and I thought I would help him out. So the first thing he does is he puts up like 20 pictures, one after another. Gives it about half a second, and then he switches to another picture. And all these pictures are coming up. And he says, what do all these pictures have in common? Well, I'm a genius, so I immediately saw the connection. I'm like that beautiful mind guy, you know. I'm like, oh, okay, the Soviets are sending me a message, you know, that kind of thing. So I look at it, and I threw up my hand way before anybody else did. I know what it is. He said, what is it? I said, they're all JPEGs. They're all electronic pictures on a screen for video. Am I right? Am I right? He said, no, that's not what I was thinking. Okay? I understand that you weren't thinking that. Go on, keep going. Later on, he shows a color blindness test. Maybe you've seen these, maybe you haven't. A bunch of little circles, little different colors on them. And if you're not colorblind, you can see that it makes a number. The color of the circles makes a pattern of a number. So he said, what's the number on the screen? And I said 2. And he said, no, it's not 2. And I said, yes, it's 2. And he said, no, it's not 2. And I said, it's absolutely 2. And he said, where's the 2? And I pointed to the corner of the screen. And he said, you can't talk anymore, Jim. You're not allowed to speak. You're disrupting my class. All right, listen. This is an example of someone who does not know what outside the box thinking is. Outside the box thinking isn't guess the secret password of the teacher. That's not what outside the box means. Now this relates to what I want to talk about today. Because I just used a technique. And the technique is not to say no, because you weren't wrong. The technique is to say yes, and what else can we say? What else? To invite another idea.